get to a solid cruise speed.
Okay.
All right, so now that you've done that, have you done that?
Yeah.
Okay. Now that you've done that, now I want you to decelerate the airplane, set the power to 2100 RPMs, and trim for level flight at 2100 RPMs, which means you're going to have to trim the nose up a little bit, but you won't really know until you get down slower. So start by setting it about 22, because as you slow down, the engine's going to slow down slightly.
Okay.
So don't descend. Don't descend. So you see we started at almost 22, and we're even slightly below 21 now. Good, that's a good deceleration.
Pretty trimmed out.
Okay, so that's the first step into doing steep turn, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to demonstrate a steep turn here. I'm going to use, see that water tower that's out in the distance out there?
Yeah.
I'm going to use that water tower as my reference point. So I've got the airplane.
Okay, you've got the airplane.
I've got the airplane. I'm verifying all my settings are correct. I'm at 2100 RPMs, yes. I'm level cruise, yes. 3000, yes. And stable, yes. Okay, so I'm going to do right, then left. Before we do anything else, well, we have to do two things before we do any maneuvers. What are those two things?
Clearing turn.
Clearing turns is one, and we also have to establish we're at a safe altitude, which is 1500 AGL.
Right.
The ground is already 1000, so that's 2500 MSL.
Okay.
So are we at or above 2500 MSL?
Yep. Yep. We're 2,000 feet above the ground.
Okay, so I'm going to do a quick left-right clearing turns. You look to the left while I'm turning right. We are clear to the right except for this bird. I'm going to do a quick 90 right and then 90 left and back at the water tower.
Clear to the left so far.
Okay, so you're looking, I'm looking, we're all looking. I got nothing on the scope. Okay, now are we clear to the left?
Yep.
Okay, and the right hand turn's clear. I'm just heading back toward that water tower. Okay, so clearing turns complete, no traffic observed in the area. We were at above our minimum safe altitude. Agreed?
Agreed.
Okay, so here I go to the right. So watch what I do here.
Okay.
So getting ready to turn, I put my hand immediately here.
Okay.
I'm turning now, plus 100 RPMs. Keeping my nose above the horizon and trim aggressively. And then turn to 45. You see the little notch at 45 there?
Is it this one here?
Yep, right above the triangle right there.
Oh, that one?
That's 45.
9605 Hotel, runway 7, clear to land.
Clear to land, 05 Hotel.
There it is.
Water tower there?
Nope, that's
that's a different one, ain't it?
So, on altitude, right?
Yeah.
On roll, basically. Looking for that water tower. There's that water tower. There's about 20 degrees. I'll start my rollout. I'm going to push a little forward. Roll out. I'll roll right back in the other direction. I'm going to release the back pressure.
3507, Gwinnett Tower, enter left base, runway 7, altitude
And there it is.
3024.
Yep. That's it.
My nose never dipped below the horizon. Not here, not outside.
5057.
I've got my roll angle in, which means that I'm not climbing or descending because I've configured the airplane for that. My airspeed is right about, I started at 88 knots, 87 knots. And I've climbed a little bit now because I'm not quite at my bank angle. So I just want to just make sure I'm at my bank angle, and that's going to correct all that extra stuff. So there I am, still right at about 88 knots.
Okay.
Right at altitude. There's my rollout on my water tower. I'm going to take my trim out and just roll out. On heading, on altitude, on airspeed.
Yep.
Maneuver complete.
Yep.
That easy. Okay, so I'm going to leave it set up here at 2100 RPMs for you. Okay, your airplane.
My airplane.
All right, the area's clear. Knock yourself out.
Alrighty. Start a turn.
Yep.
Increase our airspeed.
Yep. Don't let that nose come down. Get that roll angle in. Good,
45.
right there. Now don't let the nose go below the horizon. Don't let it go. It's a little bit below. Pull it up. Pull, pull, pull. Good. Don't let it go below. Water tower. Push.
Water tower. Push.
A little bit. Not too much though. Roll.
Oh, we're rolling to the other way. Okay. Alright.
Don't let the nose go below there. See how it's slightly below the horizon on here? And I'm looking outside, it's slightly below. There you go. Pull up just a little bit because we've descended about 100 feet.
Alright.
Give it just a little bit of power. Good. See how easy this is? Here's your water tower. Roll out. Take that trim out. Don't descend though.
Yep.
And say the magic word.
Maneuver complete.
That's it.
Cessna 9605 Hotel, turn left Delta, taxi to the ramp, monitor ground point 8.
All right, point 8 Delta to the ramp, 05 Hotel.
21.
Traffic.
I don't know if that's a ghost.
What is it? Yeah, I thought I heard a slide indication that say traffic a little bit.
Well, I heard it say traffic, but it's showing at 400 above us at 12 o'clock. I don't see that happening. There it is, traffic. Descend. Got traffic, 12 o'clock. Okay, close enough. All right, so how do you feel about the steep turns there?
I'd like to do another one.
Okay, so let's fly along here at 2100 RPMs. Pick yourself a new reference point. So it's very easy as long as you do the setups. If you don't do the setups, it's misery incarnate.
Okay.
How about the bridge over the interstate right there?
Yeah,
That's a good one.
That.
But it's all about the setup.
Alright, look to your right, clear for traffic.
Traffic's clear on all sides, I'm ready to turn.
Alrighty, here we go.
Yep, don't let that nose come down. Get that trim in. It's all about not letting the nose go below the horizon. Good. Very, very good. Don't let it go down.
Gwinnett Tower, Diamond 546, Delta Charlie 12 miles northeast with Juliet.
Diamond 546, Delta Charlie, Gwinnett Tower, enter left downwind, runway 7, altimeter 3023.
Left downwind, runway 7.
Our bridge. And we're going to roll out.
A little bit of pressure,
forward.
but not too much.
Roll in our other direction here.
Good. Make sure the nose stays above the horizon and the roll in. It's really in that, as you're rolling in, the nose slides.
That's when it dips,
Yeah. If you get it, if you just fight it right then and there, you should be able to hold it up. And you're looking at a reference point maybe on the glare shield to the horizon for...
Right.
Wind check, please. Wind 080 at 4.
A little bit more bank. Right there. There comes the bridge. Roll. Trim out. and say it.
Maneuver complete.
Damn, that was just about perfect, son.
All right.
I mean, that was gorgeous. So, I've seen people just absolutely struggle with that. And if you use my tips and techniques on that, that is a no-brainer of a maneuver, isn't it?
Yeah.
It really is that simple. All right, let's see if we can find some sunshine. Turn, let's see, turn right, heading south.
All right.
Or, let's make it about 150. I'm looking for all these sunny spots here. And I'm going to demonstrate a power on stall. How about that heading right there? I like that heading. Okay, so I've got the aircraft.
Your aircraft.
So what we're going to do is we're going to decelerate the aircraft down to 55. I'm going to do that by pulling the power to about 1700-ish and holding the nose up. 1700 should be a familiar power setting from the traffic pattern. If it's not yet, it will be soon. Airplane slowing. I'm holding the nose up. I'm applying a significant amount of back pressure right now, just to hold the nose up.
53507 is base for 7.
So it's 53507, runway 7, clear to land.
Runway 7, clear to land.
Okay, so there's 55. I'm smoothly applying full power. So there's full power. Notice I haven't accelerated, right?
Yeah.
I'm applying right rudder to stay coordinated. And now I'm holding 55, then I applied about 2 degrees extra. Now the airspeed's starting to bleed. Now I'm applying another 2 degrees. Stall warning horn. I'm looking out the window. You should be looking out there.
Yep,
okay, and now I'm just going to pull it up a little bit more. Stall. Set max power. Nose to the horizon. Okay. There we go. And that's all there is to it. It just kind of stalled. I'm going right back to VY.
Cap 939, about 10
and
miles to the north.
VY climb, maneuver complete.
Yep.
Okay, that's it. Now I'm going to just send us back
Cap
down.
939, Gwinnett Tower, enter left base, runway 7, altimeter 3023.